एंड ऑल। क्या होता है ना, तो यूपीएससी ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछती है एंड देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्कीम्स एवरी ईयर, देर आर मोर देन 1000 schemes of government of India, state governments and everything. So we have to be sure that what schemes are very important, what are questions to be asked. Before that I want to tell about the little bit modification in our this thing preparation or course. For 2-3 more days I will give the PDFs like this. Means yesterday I covered Governor General of India and this thing, and today I am covering the government scheme. 2 more days I will give the PDF in this way, but we will do little modification. Why? Because instead of giving only content from the next Monday, what I will do, suppose one topic is there, government schemes topic is there. What I will do, I will give the PDF of the content also, PDF of the content also. But only content is not enough, right? Not enough. As you know, UPSC is so clever that even you prepare entire content of the world, you will not be able to qualify prelims. So I am doing little modification. Topics will be same, but what I will do, I will give the PYQ analysis simultaneously. Even there are PYQ analysis videos, PYQ analysis, but this will be topic wise, right? Means suppose the government schemes topic I am taking, I will give the all the questions in asked in UPSC, all the questions asked in UPSC in the previous question papers, okay? And tricks and techniques simultaneously, okay? Tricks and techniques, okay? So that you will be more clever. Content, okay, means I am giving the PDF and I am explaining the PDF, that is okay, but more important is PYQ analysis, and that should be topic wise. Previously I have done it year wise, there is no segregation of topic and all things. So here I will do PYQ analysis topic wise, so that one topic will be there, I will give the required content, I will give the PYQ analysis, and what tricks and techniques will be applied in those questions. That is more important, right? So that way we will do. And PDF also I will do like this. Actually I'm not prepared the PDFs that way, therefore 2 more days we will do in this way only, in the normal way, that PDF will be there and content will be there and I will explain. But from 2-3 days later I will do this way. So remember this, and this will be more helpful to you. Instead of doing only content, which is not enough, even you do the entire universe, PYQ analysis simultaneously. In that I will do 2011 to 2022 questions of particular topic asked in UPSC. What tricks and techniques were useful and how to apply those techniques. In this way you will get used to the tricks and techniques also. Suppose any question, because I am not here only to give you content or something, whatever important is my tricks and techniques. There are 75 videos on YouTube also which are free, you must watch those also, but this way we will do, okay? So today's topic is government schemes, and in addition, and these tricks and techniques and questions will be in the PDF itself, and I will explain here also, okay? So PDF will be that way, means tricks and techniques will be there, questions will be there. Suppose government schemes asked in the PYQs, whatever government schemes are asked in the previous year questions which are relevant to the 2023 prelims, that will be there in the PDF. Questions, options, means Google searching of the options, and everything will be there in the PDF, okay? So that way we will do. So today's topic is government schemes. So first one is a kerosene subsidy, okay? Kerosene subsidy. Why this become important scheme? Actually it was launched in 1956, but it is eliminated in 2021. So in 2021 this kerosene subsidy is eliminated, therefore this kerosene subsidy topic becomes important. When we are doing topic wise PYQ analysis and all from the Monday, I will do this way also, means every topic will be in detail. Here I am just taking 1 or 2 liners of that topic or of that scheme, so that you will get to know the idea. And no scheme will be out of, means suppose UPSC ask out of these schemes also, You will be able to solve the questions from tricks and techniques, because there is a technique to remember the schemes, right? From the name itself, the scheme will be remembered, or some facts are there, you have to remember. Okay, so this much only important for this kerosene subsidy. What was there? Kerosene was distributed on the public distribution PDS shops and ration card, but it is eliminated from 2021. The reason why kerosene subsidy is eliminated, the reason is that means LPG gas is almost there everywhere, right? Previously there was no LPG, but now LPG is almost everywhere. So environment friendly decision is also there, that kerosene's use must be eliminated or reduced, and people must go to the LPG connections and all. So that must be the reason. Okay, after this means other scheme is national service scheme. National service scheme. What is this scheme? National service scheme. What is this scheme? Actually, every year 1 or 2 or 3 schemes are asked. So this scheme is personality development scheme, which is social service, social or community service. By giving this national service scheme, it is NSS. As you know, if in college days, in graduation days, there is a NSS scheme, which is social and community service. Means we clean the environment of the college or something like that. It is a social service and community service, and in that way our personality also get developed. And for that university give some marks also to involve in this scheme. So this was the national service scheme. Okay. Then other one is integrated child development services. Integrated child development service, ICDS scheme. Okay, as you know, it is integrated child development scheme. So it is child and mother care scheme. Child and mother care. Okay. So what are its provisions? It is to tackle the malnutrition and health problem. Malnutrition is a big problem in our children and mothers. Okay, malnutrition and health problems we have to tackle. Okay, and in children below 6 years, below 6 years, and their mothers, this scheme is for those people. Okay, and cash incentive conditional upon, it is cash intensive scheme, conditional upon registration in the Anganwadi. Means you have to send your newborn child on the Anganwadi and vaccination. You have to do all the required vaccinations compulsory. Okay, so this is important. Whatever scheme government is giving, and you said I don't want to vaccinate our child, means there is a hesitation in the people about vaccinations. So vaccinations are good. Any vaccinations in the from child to even corona vaccinations, all are good. So therefore what government do, you have to vaccinate your child and register him in the Anganwadi, then only you will get the cash incentive under this scheme. So like this ICDS scheme is. So this way I am giving you the content, no problem. Okay, this way I am able to give the content, but my aim is not to give only content to you guys. I want to give the tricks and techniques also simultaneously, because UPSC ask anywhere, no problem. We have to tackle the we have to get 100 marks. That's our motive. I am not here to give you all the content, bombard with content. My motive is to make you ready for more than 100 marks, 100 plus. Okay, so for that whatever I have to do, I will do. PYQ analysis, questions will be involved in the PDF from the 2-3 days, and their explanation, what is the trick in this question, what word is there, that becomes very important, and therefore this course is unique. Okay, so you are on the right place, but give me 2 more days, because already 2 more topics I have already prepared. So we will do those 2 topics in the flow only, but after that from this weekend, because on the weekend I will prepare that way notes. Okay, topic wise. Okay, next is the food subsidy. Food subsidy. What is food subsidy? Food subsidy is there. Only important point under this this is allocation of 2020-21 had reached 5.41 lakh crore. 5.41 lakh crore. It is all-time peak. It is highest till date. Okay, food subsidy in 2020-21 is 5.41 lakh